Hello, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna give you free CapCut. So stay tuned with us. I will guide you step by step how you can take free of cost Canva free. So first I will show you the pricing of Canva. So here is the pricing. You can use free of cost, but some features are missing. That's very essential for your editing. So here is 440 dirham per year per person. So if I will divide, then 36 dirham per month. So I will give you free of cost. So second, how you can get this Canva free of cost giveaway from our team. So you have to go in comment section or description. So I will share my YouTube, my WhatsApp channel link. So then here you can see I already shared two free accounts that are pro original fresh accounts giveaway from us. So you can join any of them, so you will get free of cost Canva free. So in this way you can get Canva Pro. I hope you got it. Thanks.